Hello, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the lack in interest around me. I know we've got a little bit of decor here, but not really too much. And I also apologize about the lighting. I'm filming at nighttime yet again. It has started to get dark in London at like 4 p.m. now, so this is just the way it's gonna be. This is just the way we're gonna have to handle it. So for today's video, what I have is I went and met up with my friend Mason today, and she basically gave me a huge bag of clothes from herself, friends, just people in her life, just random people that gave her a bunch of stuff to give to me to upcycle, and I'm so excited. It is literally huge. Look at this. Like, hello, what the hell? Okay, I had to move the framing a bit. My camera's being a little bit strange. Also, look at this outfit I have on today. Isn't this amazing? It's a matching tracksuit. So yes, basically I have this massive bag of items to upcycle, to make into other things, to sell hopefully on Depop. And yes, so basically I'm just gonna like unbox it with you today. I haven't seen anything that's in here but a few pieces that I can peek at on top. So it'll be exciting just to go through everything with you, see what we have, and see if I have any ideas on what I might do with it for the time being. Let's get started. If you haven't, please go down below and subscribe, comment, like, whatever you want to do. Please support me. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year, and that would be so amazing if we could do that even sooner. But yes, let's dive right into this big, massive bag of clothes and see what the hell we can pull out of here to make some cool stuff out. Okie dokie, so the first item I have right on the top, I'm just going to pull that baby out. Ooh, we have a print. We have some orange, some blue, some yellow, some green in this one. What do we have with some beading as well? Interesting. Okay, our first item, I'm just going to zoom out for you. Our first item is this dress. It just has this bodice detailing on the front, as you can see. This beading here as well, which we might be able to do something with, we will see. And it's basically like a mid-length dress. Yeah, it just goes past my knees. So this I think could make a really cute top. Just the top, we're using the top part here. Or what I could also do is use the full skirt, because there's a lot of material here, to make it into something else, something a little bit more in the now, in the moment. This print is definitely not something that I have really worked with before, but it's definitely cute, and I definitely think we could do something with it. It even has these like pleats at the bottom. That's interesting. If my camera doesn't stop going out of focus, I swear to God. I can't tell if I'm in focus or not, so I apologize in advance if I'm not, but there's not much I can do. My camera is acting up because it's nighttime. The lighting is shitty, so I apologize. So yes, because we have a lot of fabric here, there's definitely a lot we can do with this. Yeah, I'm definitely excited to see where this could go. I even think this would work as sort of like making it into like a vintage corset, because there's a lot of material here that we could cut out to use as the main pieces for the corset, and then some detail-y bits at the bottom as well. So I definitely think there's some things we can do with this. As for the beading, I'm not too sure. We might have to say goodbye to her, but regardless, I'll cut the beads out and try and use them for something else, because obviously I don't want anything to go to waste if I can help it. So that is the first item. This is going to take forever. It's probably going to be a really long video, so I apologize in advance, but there's a lot here to get into. I like what I'm seeing here. We have, is this a top? It's a vest. It's a 70s vibe. It's a hippie vibe. Oh my gosh, Coachella, come at me. So we have this, what do you call these? Like the things, a doily. It almost looks like a doily. Little crochet vesty thing here. It has no buttons or anything on the front to link it up, but this is definitely a vibe. I think we could make this into some kind of like halter bra or something super cute, something maybe a little bit scandalous, something a little bit see-through, as you can see. So I think that could be definitely a vibe. I'm gonna try and go a bit faster because this is gonna take forever. The next item we have, oh, looks a little bit tie-dye. We have this, what do you call this? Strapless top. It has some elastic at the top as well, some stretch at the back, and then we just have this flowy kind of like chiffon fabric with a lining underneath, which will definitely come in handy, like an underskirt that we can definitely use. This one is like a, oh, this is nice. It's like a silk shiny fabric. We might even just use this, to be honest with you, but I do love this over kind of chiffon fabric as well. I will definitely be able to make quite a few things out of this, and I love these colors as well, especially like the gradient here. Super cute. I'm obsessed. All right, moving on. Oh my gosh, we have a bag in the bag. Jesus Christ. Okay, so inside of that bag we also have this bag because it was splitting open. So to carry it 40 minutes back on the tube with a split open bag was not a vibe. So I had to pop it in another one. Oh, I like what I see. Oh, I like what I see. This one might even just be a keep. This one might not even be an upcycle. We will see. It's just a button-up top. It's like a light blue color. Very cute. Has a little bit of some darts on the back, so it's a little bit tailored. And wow, yeah, I like this. I like this a lot, actually. Very simple. Brand is Red Herring. It says slim fit. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see what that looks like on. Otherwise, definitely this fabric will come in use. This kind of just like plain simple fabric is super useful. I can't tell if I'm in focus or not. I'm really sorry if I'm not. Okay, next item. We have a lot of black here. What the hell? Oh, is this a set? Oh, what do we have going on? Oh no, it's not. Oh, another top. Oh, Zara Man. This one is just a black button up. We love that. That one might be getting cropped, that one. Oh my gosh, I just had an idea. Obviously, it's not an original idea. Heaps of people have done this. But I might even half both of these and then like stitch them together, or half them halfways. I'm not really sure. I think that could be sick as a little bit of combo. I like it. I like what I see. What is this? Oh, some pants. Ooh, Zara Man again. There's some men's pants. Oh, I like these. I wonder what size these are. So, I don't know if you've ever seen this trick where you see if they fit you by putting them around your neck. These are going to be too big for me. We just have some kind of like, not slim leg, but just like medium leg trousers from Zara Man. Definitely a shout. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those yet, but they will definitely come in handy. On to the next, we have some plaid. What do we have here? Oh, just another button up. Perfect. This one is Homino Emerito. I apologize for butchering that most likely, but it's just like a blue and beige button up. I'm loving the button ups. These will definitely come in handy. What is this? So we have, is this another button up? Oh my gosh, it's another button up, you guys. We are just killing it on the button up front. So we have this one here. It has like this pattern. I don't know if you can see that. It just has this like pattern on it. It's this like geometric pattern. Looks pretty cool. I think I'll definitely be cutting this one up because I don't really like the pattern as just a shirt vibe. But I think we could definitely do something with these circles and see where we go. There's a lot of fabric here. It's a bigger shirt, so I definitely think I'll be able to cut something out of that. Maybe make it into a like little bag or a hat or something. We'll see. Oh my gosh, I've got another button up. We are just killing it with the button up front. A white one this time. I'm glad for the mix of colors because it means I might even be able to chop them all up, stitch them together, see what we can do. We just have a white button up here. This one is from COS and it's a size medium, which I love. So I can get some a little bit more fabric out of there. What do we have next? We're only like halfway through the bag, you guys. There's so much in here. Ooh, this is a vibe. Might have to keep this one. We have a Topman jumpsuit. Actually, it looks pretty freaking massive. So whatever I do with this, it'll be a lot of fabric. Oh my god, it's huge. We just have this huge jumpsuit. I can't tell if it's navy or black. I think it's black, but maybe like in like a bright light. It might be like a slight navy. Some pockets on there too. I love that. That will be super useful. Next, I have these denim pair of jeans. Yeah, just a classic. I think these are men's. I think these are men's jeans. They're ASOS, which is always a good sign. And they're just a light wash pair of jeans. They have some rips in them, rips in the back, rips in the front, rips all over the shop. So that will definitely come in handy, and some fraying along the hem as well. These look like they might have been DIY'd a little bit already. Super cute. I will be getting some use out of those. I might cut them into like a long short situation. I might dye them. I might distress them. I have no idea. There's so many possibilities. Okay, next we have another button up. This one is Top Man, and it is like a camel, like a beigey caramel color. This one is a large. Super cute. It's a little bit tailored again at the back. I'll definitely be cutting this up into something because I don't really like this color on the shirt, but I'll definitely be cutting it up and using it for something else for sure. Okay, next I think, what is this? Oh, we have a blazer. Okay. So we just have a huge men's blazer. Come on, focus. This focus is really starting to piss me off. We have a large men's blazer. It is black, I think. Yeah, it's black and it has like a gray pinstripe and a gray lining. This might just be amazing on its own. Let's have a little look-see. Oh. Obviously not with this outfit, but this might be a bit of a shout. We will see. This one is M&S. M&S sell clothes? Sorry. So many things I don't know about this world of London. There is an inner pocket as well. So freaking cute. I am all over this. This is one of my favorite things I have found in the pile so far, because I'll either be getting a lot of stuff out of it or I will just be wearing it as it is because it's super cute. Okay. On to the next. There is still so much left. We have another button up. Oh my god, I have been blessed with button ups today. This is on its H&M and it is like a checker pattern, but I can't really describe it. The lines are like kind of squiggly. It's like not a perfect checkerboard pattern. But yeah, just a checkered top. Again, there is so much that I can do with all of these button ups. I will be sure to make maximum use. Alright, I see some color. We have some orange. What the hell is this? Oh, it's upside down. So this is Jasper Conran. It is like a zip up top, maybe like an overshirt, and it is bright orange. As you can see, there is a lot of crinkles in these items because they have just come straight out of a bag. But as you can see, just a bright orange, beautiful top. Alright, next up we have some stripes. What is this? Oh, just a little top, just a little long sleeve top. I'll definitely, I think, be cutting the sleeves off this and adding them to something else, and then using the fabric of the body for who knows what yet. I'll make it into something for sure, but I think I'll be cutting the sleeves off because I like the idea of like a stripy sleeve connected to a different top. Love that look, like a bit grungy, bit Tumblr-esque. Alright, next up we have just another one of those Jasper Conran, like the orange top. It's exactly the same, it's just a navy this time. It looks black on the camera, but it is navy. Just another zip up top, amazing. I'll be able to do something with those for sure. And is this the last item in this bag? Yes. We still have some more in the other bag though. So this is just a pair of pinstripe pants. Amazing. I will be making use of these. I think I might make these into a top. As weird as that sounds, the vibes I'm feeling are this kind of like off the shoulder-esque open. This is what I'm feeling. I know it probably doesn't translate, but that is the vibe there. Moving on, I think we're on to our last item now that's in the bottom of the depths of this bag. Oh no, there's a couple more. Okay, second last item, we have this, ooh, brand is Atmosphere, size 12, and this is just a white, straight, kind of like work-esque pencil skirt with some seams on it, which makes it a little bit harder to use for fabric, but I can definitely do something with these long pieces if I don't want to use the seams, that is for sure. My camera's flashing at me, I have to hurry up. Okay, last item, I think we have, this item is Synonym. is the brand, and it is just a pair of, oh my god, these will fit me for sure. 100%, they're going to be perfect. So these are just a pair of white pants. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I couldn't have asked for anything more as the last item. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much to my friend who gave me all of these items to use. I can't wait to cut things up, stitch things together, rip things, pull things, dye things, bleach things. I can't wait for the energy that is going to come with doing all of those tasks, and I cannot wait. So if you have stayed for this long, I apologize. This video is probably going to be like 15 minutes long or 20 minutes long or something. Thank you for staying. Please, if you liked the video, leave a like down below, leave a comment, suggest some things I can do with these amazing pieces I have been blessed with, and I will probably film a few videos, a few upcycling videos of what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it, the doing of it. I will definitely go through all of that with you. So if you would like, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Again, I'm trying to get to 100. I don't like to beg, but this is what I need. This is what I want. This is what I deserve. So if you haven't already, please go down below, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.